How to verify your OKX account. First of all, launch the OKX application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account using your email, phone number, and your password. Once you're logged in, if you have not verified your account yet, in your home page there you will have an option to verify your account. For that, tap on Continue Verification. Now to get started with, first of all you have to choose where you live. So select the country or region. If you want to edit it, tap on Edit option and then select your region. After that, the verification will require two important information. That is your ID and selfie verification, and another one is your personal information. To get started, tap on Next. Now you have to upload your identification documents, where you can choose different type of ID, that may be your national ID card or your passport. So according to your preferences, you can choose one and then tap on Next. Now here you have the formats on how you have to submit your ID card. Ensure that your ID is clear and all details are visible, then tap on Start Verification. After that, you also have to take a selfie with your phone or web camera to take a live selfie for your identity verification. So once you have submitted all your necessary documents, so you have to basically wait for a few minutes to hour. And in order to check for your verification status, you can always visit the verification page. And during this process, ensure all your information matches your ID exactly. Use high quality lead images for your documents and complete the process in a quiet environment to avoid any selfie errors. And once verified, you will gain access to higher trading limits and advanced features on OKX. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.